Good evening, children. So, in the previous classes, we were discuss about the same lessons. So, now once again, we'll revise or recall the lesson once again. Okay, children. So, now I am going to take the social lesson number 1, early humans. Yes. Children, look at this picture. Who do you think these people are? Yes, these people are early humans. These peoples are early humans. So, who were early humans? Many years ago, people lived very simple life. They were called early humans. So, children, look at here, early humans. So, these early humans, they are living so many years ago. So, they are leading their life very simple. Not like us, they are leading their life very simple. So, they were called early humans. See, the people in those days did not have cloth to wear or house to live in. So now we are having clothes, we having a house to live. So but in the early humans they were not having clothes and they were not having a house to live. They used to live in forest and caves. So early humans are living in forest and caves. So look at this picture. This is a forest and this is cave. So early humans lived in caves and forests. So where did early humans live? Early humans lived in caves and forest, or else you can say it as early humans lived in forest and caves. Next, early humans used animal skin and leaves to cover their bodies. So now we were using a clothes to cover our body. So but in early humans used animal skin or leaves to cover their bodies. So look at this picture. They are covering their bodies with the help of leaves and animal skin. So early humans used animal skin and leaves to cover their bodies. See, they did not know how to cook food, so they used to eat fruits and seeds. They also hunted animals with a stick and stones and ate raw flesh. They moved from place to place in search of food and water. So in the early human did not know how to cook the food. So what they used to do? So they used to eat fruits and seeds. So what did early humans used to eat? Early humans used to eat fruits and seeds. And they also hunted animals with the stick and stone. So look at this picture, children. You can observe here. They hunted the animals with the help of stick and stones. And they ate raw flesh. So they moved from place to place in a search of food and water. So at the same place they cannot get everything. So they are moving place to search of food and water. Yes. Early humans also learned how to make a fire by rubbing two stones together. So early humans, they learned how to make a fire. They are taking two stones, rubbing the two stones together, the fire is formed. So then they came to know that rubbing together two stones, then they got a fire. So that helped them a lot. They learned how to cook, keep them warm and keep wild animal away. So first they find out that how to make a fire. So by rubbing two stones together, they found the fire. So with the help of the fire, they learn how to cook. So without the fire, we cannot cook. So in the same way, early humans, they learn after that how to cook the food and how to keep themselves warm. How to keep themselves warm and keep wild animal away. So in the early humans, they were living in a forest. So for that, then after they came to know that with the help of a fire, the wild animal is away from them. Then they learn how to grow crops and tame animals to work for them. So in the finally, the early humans learned how to grow the crops and tame animals to work for them. Okay, children. So now just we revise the lessons. So once again you have to read the lesson and practice the new words. Thank you, children.